Yeah, guys, welcome to a new episode of our no deposit bonus accounts. So all what you just have to do is to register with the link I pasted on this video, under this video. So immediately you are done registering, kindly log in your account. Then next thing you have to do is to click on accounts here to claim the 100k free trial accounts. No need of depositing. Just claim it once, and the only condition is you must pass within 14 days. So now let's proceed to what next. Remind me later. So demo dashboard, as you can see. Now you click on free trial accounts. Here are the accounts you can claim. So click on get started, then get started accounts. Start challenge, as you can see, free trial accounts created successfully. Start challenge, good. So it's currently loading. Here are the login. Very good. Here is the free trial account, as you can see. That's my name at the top. Then the next thing, I want to read through the rules. Trading cycle. So the whole thing will expire within 14 trading days. So you have to pass the challenge within 14 days. That's the only problem. So once you are able to pass the challenge, then you'll be given the account successfully, but you must pass it within 14 days. So what else are we checking? Max loss. Yes, here is your max loss. The maximum daily loss you can have under this account is $5,000, and overall losses must be $10,000. As you can see, 10%. Minimum days you can trade on this account is 3 days, while the minimum profit target is $5,000. That's the minimum profit target you must have on this account. Is as simple as that. Then immediately you've claimed, kindly pass the account and get the real full funded account. It's as easy as that, no problem. So just go to FundedNext. Sorry, the link is under this video, so just go there, click on the registration link and get the whole thing done. The registration for this is under this video. The registration for this account is under this video. Click on it and get it done. It is very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video.